voices down the corridor. Thought I heard them say, welcome to the hotel.